What's up everybody, this is Missy from Lansing Hoops, and today I'm going to show you another fun step-through variation. This one is often referred to as the revolving door, and it looks just like this. Okay, so the revolving door is a pretty easy trick because it uses just one leg and one hand, and we don't even have to transition if we don't want to. So we'll start with the hoop in either hand. It doesn't matter because we're going to try both hands today. I have my hoop in my right hand. If you're mirroring me, you'll be using your left. And all we're gonna do is get used to the way that the hoop swings, just like this. When you get the hoop swinging in your hand and hinging, right now your thumb is on top, your knuckles are pointing down, all you'll do is hinge the hoop toward your center line and lift up the opposite leg. What I mean is, I'm holding my hoop in my right hand, my left leg is going to go through the hoop. If I'm holding my hoop in my left hand, my right leg will go through. So it's the opposite side. So we hinge our hoop, hinge towards the center line, lift up the opposite leg, and as we do that, we're just going to swing the hoop over our head. Hinge in, leg lifts up. As the leg lifts up, our hand comes up over our head and down. As we step down, we pick up the opposite foot. One more time, hinge, overhead, and now we just step out. Let's try our left hand. Remember, we get this hinging motion. Our thumb is on top, our knuckles are pointed towards the ground. Hinge toward the center line, lift up with the opposite foot, and lift the hoop over your head and step down. As you step down, hand comes back to the ground and you step out with your original foot. That's how we do the revolving door: up, around, and down. A fun variation is to do this one while we're spinning. Up, around, and that's how you do the revolving door. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and make sure you subscribe to Lansing Hoops. If you want tips and tricks just like this delivered straight to your inbox, sign up for my newsletter at LansingHoops.com.